This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to put Toyota Camry seats down. This guide will help you maximize your cargo space quickly and efficiently. We'll cover the simple steps to fold down the rear seats, whether you need to transport longer items or just want more room. It's a straightforward process that anyone can do, and it significantly increases your vehicle's versatility for various tasks and adventures. First, open your Camry's trunk. You'll typically find two small release levers or knobs located on the top edge of the rear seat backs, one for each side. These are usually clearly marked or have a small icon indicating their function. Pulling these levers will disengage the seatback's latch, allowing it to pivot forward. Ensure the trunk is fully open for easy access to these important controls. Once you've located the levers, pull one firmly to release the corresponding seat section. You might hear a distinct click as the latch disengages. Then, from inside the car, gently push the seat back forward and down into the cargo area. Repeat this process for the other seat section if you need to fold both down. The seats are designed to fold relatively flat, creating a continuous loading surface. Before fully lowering the seat backs, make sure any seatbelts are clear and not caught underneath. This prevents damage and ensures the seats lie as flat as possible. With both rear seatbacks folded down, your Toyota Camry now offers significantly more cargo capacity, perfect for larger items like sports equipment, luggage, or even small furniture. Enjoy the enhanced versatility of your vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.